Owen found a blue scarf on an empty chair, but Nina kept the tea warm. Who was the scarf for? Write your guess in one English sentence. The harbor tea shop was quiet after lunch. The window was open a little. The sea air came in softly.
Owen carried a small box of clean cups for Nina.
Where should I put these?
On the back table, please.
Owen put the box down carefully. One spoon fell on the floor. He picked it up and put it near the sink.
This one needs washing.
Thank you.
Then Owen saw a table near the window. There were 2 cups on the table. One chair was full. One chair was empty. On the empty chair was a blue scarf.
Did someone forget this?
Nina looked at the scarf,
Maybe.
but her voice was gentle. She poured fresh tea into 1 cup.
The chair is empty. Why make tea for it?
It is not for the chair.
Owen waited. Nina did not explain yet. The shop bell rang. Mr. Bell came in from the harbor road.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Bell.
Mr. Bell looked at the empty chair. Then he looked at the blue scarf. His face became very still.
Oh, is it yours? I do not know.
He touched the scarf with 2 fingers. The scarf was soft and warm.
A small yellow line was at the end.
My sister likes yellow.
Your sister?
Nina put the warm tea on the table.
Mr. Bell waits for a letter from his sister every Thursday.
She lives far away. She writes slowly.
Owen looked at the scarf again.
Maybe she sent this. But there is no letter.
The main question stayed open. A scarf was here,
Tea was warm.
but there was no name. Owen looked under the chair.
He looked on the floor.
He looked beside the window. Then he saw a small white corner under the tea saucer.
Nina, is this paper yours?
Nina lifted the saucer. A small note was under it.
I did not see that.
Mr. Bell opened the note slowly. His hands shook a little. May I read it?
Of course.
He read the note in a quiet voice.
For my brother. Keep warm by the sea.
The tea shop became very quiet.
It is for you.
Yes,
Mr. Bell held the scarf to his chest.
She remembered the harbor wind.
Nina smiled softly.
The postwoman came while I was making tea. She left the small packet here. I think the note slid under the saucer.
So, the empty chair was not really empty.
No, it was waiting.
Mr. Bell sat down. He put the blue scarf around his neck. The yellow line shone near his coat. It is warm.
And the tea is still warm, too.
Mr. Bell laughed softly. Then I am lucky twice. Owen looked at the empty chair across from Mr. Bell. It did not feel sad now. It felt like a place for love to arrive. The answer was this. The blue scarf was for Mr. Bell. His sister sent it so he could keep warm by the sea.
Were you right? Write one English sentence in the comments. Now, listen to useful words from the story.
Scarf. A scarf keeps your neck warm. Empty. Empty means no person or thing is there. Note. A note is a short message on paper. Now repeat.
Who is the scarf for?
The chair is empty. The tea is warm. Keep warm by the sea. Quick practice. Question 1. Where did Owen find the scarf?
Question 2. Who sent the scarf?
Question 3. What small gift could you give to someone? Owen likes to look carefully when something is missing. You can also watch the story where he looks for his umbrella in the rain. A short note made Mr. Bell happy. Short English sentences can be powerful too. The links in the description can help you practice them. New, slow English stories arrive every week. Subscribe so the new stories are easy to find.